Inside the Impala Leather Factory. $1 million industry secret. Process Planet presents.
All right, bring the forks up. Watch the corner, it's heavy. Okay, clear. Taking it inside.
This batch here doesn't match the origin date on the permit.
The digital record confirms the discrepancy. Make a note of it.
We need to verify the origin documents against the traceability records.
Barcodes match the permits we scanned earlier.
All right, finalize the report and let the supervisor know we're done.
The suppleness is good, but there's a slight defect on the belly here.
Understood. I've marked it down. Check the belly quality on this side.
Looks good, consistent texture. The pattern is flawless.
It's reading 25.3 kilos.
All right, here is the tag. Sequence 00457.
Watch the garment pile, don't mix them up.
I need a hand with this one, it's heavy.
This one is definitely premium.
Agreed. Put that in utility. Parameters on tank 4 are good to go.
All right, schedule the next batch for immediate transfer then. We're running ahead of schedule.
Temperature is steady at 32 Celsius. And the pH is holding at 8.5.
The pH balance is holding steady at 2.8.
Good, we can finalize the batch report.
Shrinkage is well within tolerance on this batch. The uptake looks good too.
Yes, the uniformity is excellent. We can pass these for finishing.
The timer confirms the uptake rate. It's consistent. Yeah.
Agreed, the uniformity is excellent.
Yeah.
grain here is exceptional.
Yes, look at the hairline pattern on this section. It's flawless.
The hairline pattern here is absolutely pristine.
Agreed. The suppleness and grain uniformity meet the premium standard. We can mark this section for cutting.
I think we finally matched the Impala Scarlet.
It's perfect. The client will be thrilled with this batch.
What do you think of the saturation on this batch?
It's perfect. We
Finally matched the sapphire tone.
Chemical fixation locks in color, and careful rinsing removes excess dye inside the Impala Leather Factory. Chemical fixation locks in color, and careful rinsing removes excess dye inside the Impala Leather Factory.
Tensile strength is holding up well.
Good. No scarring here. Approved for production.